defecator.
That shit was not it. It's a no for me, dog.
You're back. She's depressed. You want to tell them why you're depressed? Blind boxes.
If y'all saw one of our previous videos, y'all know that I didn't even get back this time. And if y'all know that I was doing one of these. And if you got far enough into the video, you'll know that I was also looking for this one in particular. So we went back. The lady there is very cool.
Shout out to you. I forget what your name is.
Shout out to you. Next time I gotta ask, because she also said, wax y'all, you tell her. So I opened the box, shaking everything, open the box. Not open the box, paid for a box, and I opened it immediately. So I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all not gonna see this. Y'all not gonna see this in the video.
No surprise.
And I ended up pulling. I didn't even open it. I just saw the accessories. I ended up.
Yep. Might as well just rip that bag open, and this will be mine.
I ended up pulling the exact same one I pulled last time.
Sink. So hand that over.
So I ended up getting a second box. This is where I got it.
I'm gonna show them the other box. So I was pulling something else. Kubo's been my thing, and I got lucky. If you saw the last video, if it's up by now, and there was a specific one that I wanted.
This is not even the same version of Kubo that he got last time.
Yeah, it's a brand new one. They ran out of the other ones. I wanted this one right here. What is it called? Apocalyptic Quest. So you see, it's kind of like a, yeah, whatchamacallit. So I like that one, and one and done. Boom, got it. She also wanted it. She was 2-0, so I gave it to her.
Well, to be honest, that's up for debate because I feel like if he found it, he looked really good.
I kept the card as a safety to let you know that my luck is my luck. Although I pulled another one of these candle whisperers.
Because I was very determined to find it.
And it wasn't that. I don't even know where that one is. So.
Is it? Where is it? Is it? I swear to God.
Maybe it's in here. Yeah, it's in here. Sure. So I tried to pull a Hail Mary, and
it was literally a Hail Mary.
I ain't got that one.
So the lady said maybe next time she'll get one and have it for me.
Yeah.
But I also, because I knew that I was going to try to come back, I brought a scale.
I forgot the scale.
I have no idea where it's at. But on a brighter note,
Marshall Lee. She only grabbed Marshall Lee because it was the only one in there, but we're gonna actually order off the Funko website another Marshall Lee and then 2 pieces of bubble gums. But then on top of that, I'm gonna take these. The new Death Note Funko Pops are out. So got Misa, Ryuk, Light Yagami, and Ill. So shout out to Box Lunch for having the full set.
Well, Hot Topic.
Hot Topic, yeah. They both had full.
Well,
we got these from Hot Topic.
Oh, yeah, they had it.
So shout out to them. Misa is the first one to have a Funko Pop from the set because these 3 had original ones.
Also, I already got the L from the original set. I just don't have these.
Yeah, so shout out to the new Death Note Funko Pops. But you know, while we're here, you know what y'all came to see. I think this one is yours. Real Joy.
Yeah, I don't know. It could be good.
Well,
DJ mixed them up.
I literally handed you the one that was on top, and I handed
that
you
was
the
one on top was the one that was mine.
We've been in the mall for like an hour.
I think it was just
so Shaggy, Zombie, and Mr. Hyde is the Super Chase. So we're hoping to get one of those. She already grabbed the
Daphne.
Yeah, the Daphne Chase, which I forget what else.
I think it was a werewolf.
Werewolf, yep. She grabbed werewolf. So hopefully one of us can pull the chase on this. I think she has pretty good luck with this one.
If y'all just listen to my story, y'all also know my luck me down.
Not with Jojo, it's her 7 to my whatever, 3 or 4. So, all right, you got it on rip, and let's do it. 2, 1, the whole Shaggy's. Let's check the card.
So my luck wasn't. See, I told y'all.
One of them, she was like, yeah, this is the one I want. So I got $54.99.
I got $5.33.
Oh, good number. But also, while I was there, I'm like, okay, I probably won't get a chase, but I bought Dean from Supernatural.
I wasn't even gonna try again after the day.
You got Bobby Singer as a chase, and then you got Dark Dean, I guess. Oh, prison Dean. So let's see if something can happen. The dude literally pulled out like 30 of these Deans, so hopefully I can pull to 1. And come on. The hero Dean. But yeah, that's been our luck. We're about to go get some food. But before we end off, let me check this number. I got 4,641. Who the fuck is 4611641. So that's us, Pop 313. We'll catch y'all in the next one.
Gotta go get a milkshake.
Yeah, to drown our sorrows. Peace.